Hey guys, and welcome. Let's continue solving math challenge using Python. We will ask the user to enter an integer that is over 500. Then we will work out the square root of that number and split it to two decimal place. So to start, we will take a number from the user. Okay, we need math module will be number math dot square of number. Then we need to round this or print round answer now by 2. Okay, let's run. Okay, enter integer that is over. We will enter 501. Okay, because it's a decimal, so let's solve this problem by converting it to int, by casting it to an integer. Okay, let's run it again. We will enter 5. We will enter 800. Now this is the square of this number around to 2. Okay, if we change this to 3, we will enter also 800. Now it's casting it on. This is the square of this. It's set 3. Oh, but we need something then. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see next challenge. We will ask the user to enter radius of the circle, measurement from the current point to the edge. We work out the area of the circle, pi multiplied by radius 2. Okay, so we need here math module. We'll take an input from the user, cast it. Okay, enter radius of the circle. Okay, let's print area. Let's call this radius. Area then will be math dot by radius 2. Okay, print area. Okay, that is the area of the circle. Let's try to run it. Run, enter, radius 5. There's something wrong here. Okay, I forgot to cast it to run it. Okay, run it again. 5. Now this is the area of 5. Let's round it to 2. Okay, that is the area of the circle with radius 5. Okay, let's see last challenge. In this video, you will see last challenge's video. Okay, we ask for the radius and depth of cylinder and work out the total volume circle area multiplied by depth round to 3 decimal place. Okay, we need math here. Sorry for boarding this. Also working on math module. So okay, we will take this. We will also take a radius from the user and take a depth. We will print the area here, the same. Okay, we need to print cylinder. Now we need total volume, so volume will equal area multiplied by depth. Okay, so we will print volume. Okay, volume rounded to 3 decimal place. Let's test. Enter radius of cycle 5, depth 12. Now it's this number rounded to 3 decimal place. Start again. Depth. This is the volume cylinder rounded to 3 decimal place. That's all guys for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.